Hey Crown Queens and Kings, so today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the MC7 collection, so stay tuned. So here we have the edge tamer, and here we have the wax stick.
Through drought and famine.
So now we're going to get started with the tutorial. I'm going to be doing a high puff. If y'all would like to purchase the products, you can find them at the #1 beauty supply store located on West Colonial and John Young Parkway. And you can also visit their website at shopmc7.com. Okay, so guys, I just wanted to stop before I add the wax stick on it. It smells very, very good.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Ooh, who would have thought I'd get you? And when we're making love, your cries, they can be heard.
Hey guys, so this is the finished result. And I definitely have to say, great products. They laid my hair very, very well, and the smell was great. The only thing was a little bit of my hair did get stuck to the wax stick, but hey, it happens. But yeah. So overall, great products, and I will definitely be using their products on our next clients. So don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Bye, Crown Queens and Kings. Till next time.